Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to public our account easy method. Go to your profile, tap Settings, then Privacy or Account Settings, find the Private Account toggle, switch it off, and confirm when prompted. Double-check your profile by viewing it in an incognito tab or asking a friend to verify visibility. Adjust follower requests and linked accounts if needed to ensure the public settings match your comfort level. Start by reviewing all past posts and stories to ensure nothing private remains before changing visibility. Remove or archive sensitive posts, and check highlights and tagged photos for content you prefer hidden. Update comment and mention controls so strangers cannot tag you unexpectedly, and verify linked accounts like TikTok or Instagram for cross-posting. These steps prevent surprises once your account becomes public, and keep your profile aligned with your desired audience. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling great while you manage your public profile. It's a small, funny upgrade that makes commutes nicer when you're checking follower messages. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Before flipping your account public, clean up your follower list and approve or remove any pending requests to control early access. Consider a pinned post explaining what followers should expect so new viewers know your rules and content focus. Strengthen security with two-factor authentication and review connected apps to prevent unauthorized access. These precautions protect your privacy and reputation while enjoying the benefits of a public profile and broader reach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.